Hey guys, it's me, Savvy, and yes, this is a wig. Kids can't tell my real hair is right here. I wish my hair was this long though. Look how long this wig is. I got it off of Amazon like 2 years ago, and I also put like a red extension in it. Anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing the 4th Zodiac sign. And it's gonna be Aries. So a little bit about Aries. So Aries, it says Aries folk are born between March 21st and April 20th. They belong to the fire element. That's why I put the little red in my wig, because fire, red. Of the zodiac, the other 2 fire signs are Sagittarius and Leo, which, fun fact, I'm married to a Sagittarius and my rising sign's a Leo, so I must have some bit of fiery in my personality. The fire signs are the hooligans of the stars. Straight up says hooligans. Bold, brash, passionate, outspoken, and likely to act before they think. So I guess they're impulsive. And then their symbol is this, like, a ram, I guess. And their ruling planet is Mars. So with those 2 things being said, this is going to be a very red look. So let's get started. Alright, so you know what's interesting is I have the Zodiac palette. And I like to use my Zodiac palette for, you know, these looks. But Aries is this blue metallic. So I guess I'll have to do something with this in my look. So I guess instead of red and black like I was going to do, I'll do red and that blue. But I definitely want to do red because to me, Aries, it's a fire sign. You think it would be red. So we're going to dip into the red shade of the James Charles palette first. That's what it looks like on the brush. And I'm going to just do that right around my... not exactly my inner corner. I'm going to try to miss that because I'm going to put a lighter shade there, but in the middle of my eye we're going to do the red. Okay, so next on my outer corner I'm going to use that blue and that black that's for in the Zodiac palette that I showed you. Okay, so this is my eye so far. Now I'm going to just repeat the same pattern on my lower lash line. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, now it's time for the lips and the symbol. So for the lips, I'm going to line my lips in black. Okay, so now that my, this looks like a hot mess. My lips are lined, I'm going to take my stocking color from Jeffree Star and go over my lips. Okay, so now the fun part, which is drawing the actual symbol. Alright, and then here is the finished look. I tried on this side to draw the ram, so it's the Virgo symbol, but the ram face is right here. I'm a very cartoony artist, and then I did a red like dot for Mars. But yeah, so this is my Aries makeup. So happy birthday, Aries, and I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. As always, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it helps me out, and you get to see funny videos from me. Also find me on Instagram, SavvyBuka7, and on Twitter, XXVampireNight. Thank you.